Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we're making a super easy twist on a classic treat. Churros made with Crescent rolls in the air fryer. These churros come out perfectly golden with that irresistible crispy outside and soft doughy center. They're quick to make, full of cinnamon sugar goodness and way less mess than frying. If you're craving a fun dessert or snack that's simple and delicious, this one's for you. Gather these ingredients: 1 can of Crescent rolls, 1/4 cup of melted plant butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. In a small bowl, mix together 1/2 cup granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon. Set aside. Unroll 1 can of Crescent roll dough and press the seams together to form a single sheet. And sprinkle generously with the cinnamon sugar mixture. Unroll a 2nd can of Crescent rolls, press the seams together, and place it on top of the first sheet to sandwich the layers. Use a pizza cutter to slice the dough into strips, about 1 inch wide. Twist each strip gently to create a spiral shape. 7. Place the twisted strips in the basket, leaving space between each one. Brush each one with melted butter. Sprinkle with cinnamon. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. Turn them over and sprinkle more of the sugar mixture on top. Cook for an additional 4 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it, easy, delicious churros made right in your air fryer with Crescent roll dough. They're crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and coated in that classic cinnamon sugar goodness. Whether you're serving them as a fun dessert, an after-school snack, or a party treat, they're sure to be a crowd favorite. Enjoy them warm with your favorite dipping sauce, and don't be surprised if they disappear fast. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you like this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.